HP's done a pretty good job of remaining relevant in the fast-changing mobile space, at least as it relates to laptops and two-in-ones. Delivering sleek looks and high value, detachables and convertibles like the HP Elite X2 have joined the loudening chorus of Windows 10 devices, which have made Android tablets and even iPads less relevant, albeit to varying degrees. This year, HP is building on this success by focusing on security, premium design, and value with the Lte Capable HP Elite X2 1013 G3. Starting at $1499, this detachable is slated for a June release, but we were lucky enough to grab some hands-on time to show you what HP's accomplished. HP's first focus is a premium professional look and feel, which the Elite X2 pulls off well. Utilizing a kickstand-toting tablet and free-hanging magnetic keyboard design, popularized and refined by Microsoft in its Surface lineup, the aluminum Elite X2 keeps things thin and light at around 2.6 pounds with the keyboard. This form factor is also quite versatile. The kickstand extends far enough back to use the device as sort of an easel or standing tablet, while the keyboard's flexibility allows you to fold the keyboard behind the tablet and use the device as a legal pad, complete with a pen and all. The pen is optional though, but it's also been improved to include tilt detection, double the pressure sensitivity, and a proximity sensor so you never walk away and lose it. It's also rechargeable via USB-C, enabling it to power up for a week's worth of use from just a 30-minute charge. In terms of overall feel, the aluminum body of the tablet portion feels quite light and sturdy, while the keyboard gives much the same feeling. Unlike most folio-like magnetic keyboards, the HP Elite X2's keyboard has a metal top and fabric on the back, giving the user a premium laptop feel while typing and a softer, plusher feel when carrying the device. By minimizing bezels, HP was able to fit a 13-inch IPS LED display into the same footprint as last year's 12-inch model. Gorilla Glass 4 covers this 3000 by 2000 pixel display, but our favorite addition is HP's SureView. This is HP's display technology, which enables your screen to become unreadable to those at the sides of you, all with the quick tap of a keyboard button. Unfortunately, this isn't a standard feature though, and it's unclear how much this option will cost. The Elite X2 will be offered with anywhere between 128GB and 1TB of storage, up to 16GB of RAM, and i3, i5, and i7 quad-core Intel processors clocked as high as 1.9GHz base and 4.2GHz with Turbo Boost. If you want to catch the attention of mobile geeks like us when you're talking laptops and detachables, just mention the phrase 4G LTE. That's exactly what the Elite X2 is capable of. As expected, this is an optional feature, and pricing and carrier availability isn't yet clear, but opting for this will get you a Cat9 LTE chip on board, something we can't help but lust after just a little bit. Thankfully, this detachable also meets some respectable battery life metrics, rated for up to 10.5 hours. Of course, LTE, Wi-Fi, and the general hardware configuration will have significant effects on this. The Elite X2 1013 G3 is a solidly built, good-looking device. Aimed at those who want little sacrifice or separation between their work and play device, the newest X2 makes small but meaningful improvements over its predecessor, with better equipped accessories like the rechargeable pen, as well as the addition of HP's SureView technology and 4G LTE capability. Devices like these continue to make a strong case for Windows-based two-in-ones over iOS and Android-powered tablets. But will a starting price of $1499 keep the Elite X2 from being considered more seriously by the average consumer? I'm Corey Gaskin with PhoneArena. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out PhoneArena.com for more coverage on devices like these.